How long have you had your dental work with your implants?
I wish I could remember exactly, but I will estimate about 10, 12 years.
Okay.
And I noticed that my teeth, my gums felt like they were tender. And I was young enough that I was smart enough to find who would be able to give me some implants. And oh, it was one of the, I'm most thankful of an action I took. And I want to tell any of you that feel a little bit nervous about having implants, Dr. Fennell, I can't speak for every other dentist, but Dr. Fennell's goal is to give you the least pain possible. I never felt terribly uncomfortable in the whole procedure. He had an assistant that was like his second breath, and I felt like I was in the best hands I could be. And they took measurements and talked over with me whatever might make my mouth the most serviceable. What I want is to be able to bite into an apple or to chew salads. And all these years, I've had excellent service. And I just wish I could tell everybody that has a chance to get to Dr. Fennell that as we get older, our gums get thinner and we get more pain. And we can avoid all that if we have an implant that will secure, I think if I remember right, it was in titanium, doesn't hurt the bone. And at certain times, Dr. Fennell would have an x-ray of the gum and how the implants were to keep me sure that everything was the best it could be. And so I'm nearly 90 and I can still chew salads and enjoy them. I know so many people my age that can't eat well that I can't tell you enough encouragement that if you put yourself in Dr. Fennell's hands, you'll be as happy as I am. I eat whatever I want, and it's such a joy because many times as one gets older, your appetite lessens. And I've noticed that if you could eat with somebody you love, you'll eat more. And that is a happy circumstance.
Are your teeth, do they ever feel insecure
No.
or moving? Okay.
My teeth never wiggle. They're just as secure as can be. And I can't say enough recommendation that this is to do as soon as you hear about it being possible to do it, because you'll wish you'd have learned about it sooner after you have it done. And I'm almost 90 now, and I'm just so thankful that I heard of Dr. Fennell, and you feel so comfortable in his hands, not only because of his goal to not cause you any pain, but he and his assistant would pray for us all, and that was a jewel to know.
So tell me about your experience with our staff.
Oh, they are so responsible, and you can count on what they tell you, and they remember you of what your handicaps may be from the visits you make. And I love one of the policies Dr. Fennell has, that when you've been a client and visit him again, they send home fresh flowers with you. And they remembered me this last visit I had, and I still got the flowers on the mantle. So I can't see, but I can smell. Each one of the staff, I think, have been specially selected because they remember us, and that's pleasant to know. And they kind of go the second mile to make sure that you're well taken care of.